But I'll be honest with you, anything that has retinol, I try to avoid using it during the day. I would only use it at night because it's such a powerful ingredient. Hi everyone, it's Alicat Castle, your YouTube makeup artist with the heart. And on today's episode, we will be doing an unboxing of the Boxycharm Beauty Box for the month of July 2021. And just so you know, this beauty box is a monthly beauty box subscription for $25 where you get 5 full-size products and you get to pick one out of the 5. So without further ado, let's open this beauty. Yes, and once you unbox it, guess what? You're actually going to see this card. Oh my gosh. That tells us the products that we got inside. So the first product here is the Ilamasqua Unveiled Artistry Palette, and this one retails for $50. I'll be honest with you, this is my very first try of the Ilamasqua brand, and believe it or not, I love this eyeshadow palette because look, you get 6 shimmery colors and you also get 6 matte colors. And let me show you, there was not much of a fallout when I actually used it. So this is the color that I applied all over my lid. And then I apply this right on my bottom lash line. Look at that. Super pigmented. This is the highlight that I applied right on my inner corner of the eye. And then I also use this color to blend with my crease color as well. It's pretty amazing. This alone sealed the deal for me. So the next product here is the Dermalect Cosmeceuticals Out Crease Retinol Trifecta Serum. This one actually retails for $39. And guess what? It actually says in here that this one helps to target the signs of aging, fine lines, wrinkles, and large pores, and uneven skin tone. And I love anything that has retinol. For me, it is one of the most sought after anti-aging ingredients. And it also says in here that you can actually use this AM or PM, but I'll be honest with you, anything that has retinol, I try to avoid using it during the day. I would only use it at night because it's such a powerful ingredient. If you use retinol during the day and you do not apply a sunscreen, that's major damage, at least for my experience. So use it mostly at night. At least that's my personal recommendation. So now let's actually open this, and it's very liquidy. See, like once you see that, and then I just put like a little bit of it because I don't want it to be too runny. And I actually, believe it or not, love the texture of this. It actually first feels like an oil, but once you actually like put it on, it basically disappears. It basically just gives you this super smooth skin. And compared to most oil serums that I've used, I can actually say that this is perfect. This is amazing. It has a perfect texture. Now, the next one is the Outre 8-in-1 plus CBD leave-in hair conditioner. Yes, and this one actually retails for $30 and says if you want it with a fine application on the hair, you do 3 mists. For medium texture, 5 mists, and for thicker texture, 7 mists. Let's actually smell it. Let's actually spray it on my hand. Oh wow, it smells like green apple. Yes, let's actually spray some on my hair. Now let's feel it. It's actually very lightweight, believe it or not. Now let's actually brush it. You know what? This is actually perfect for freshening your hair during the day if you want it to smell good. And if you just want to tame down a little bit of those flyaways. Yes. So the next product here is the Mud Masky Vitamin Infused Eye Serum. And this retails for $63. I love the Mad Musky brand. I've actually tried their eye mask before. It's super good. This is also made in Netherlands. So let me show you. Let's open it. And let's actually put some on. I've actually tried this already. It's amazing. And an eye serum is what you apply right before your eye cream. And look at that. It's not as thick as your regular eye creams because its purpose is to be applied under your eye cream. Because a serum of a purpose is to push even more the benefits of your anti-aging eye cream. Yeah, so super happy about this. And this one helps with moisture and it also helps to firm and nourish the skin. And the last product here is the Beauty Vault Erupt Lip Set. And this is oh my god, that's upside down. And guess what? This lip set values for $18.50. I'm actually wearing it right now. What do you think? And let me show you. So you get a full-size lip liner and a full-size liquid lipstick. So the full-size lip liner, let me show you, actually has a color of kind of like a bluish purple. And then let me actually show you the color of the liquid lipstick. The liquid lipstick is more of a deep, warm cherry. And what I did was, since they kind of don't exactly match, I just applied this all over. And then I applied this. And you know what? In the end, I guess it blended well because my eyeshadow has a little bit of that purple. But you know what? Even if it's matte, it's pretty comfortable on the lip. So there you go. Let me give you a quick rewind of everything that we have in this box. So we actually got the Ilamasqua palette that retailed for $50. We also got our Dermalect serum that retailed for $39. I actually think that this should be valued more because it's pretty amazing. We got the Mud Masky eye serum rather, that values for $63. And then we also got our hair mist that values for $30. And we also got our set of lip liner and lipstick that values for $18.50. And I only paid everything for, guess what, $25, and value for everything is $200.50. If you ask me, my favorite here are the eyeshadow palette, the eye cream, the eye serum. I also love the lip, and guess what? The retinol serum as well. How about you? What do you think of this box? Do you think it's worth it for $25? For me, it's a check! Yes! So there you go. If you enjoy this unboxing, hope that you can support this video by giving it a thumbs up. And also, if you're into unbagging, unboxing, as well as product reviews, as well as my new episodes where I do an eye makeup tutorial while I discuss a specific topic that's close to my heart, please consider subscribing as well. And if you want to see this eyeshadow, I'll link down in the bottom below a separate episode where I use this eyeshadow palette. And again, my name is Alicat Castle, telling you and reminding you, you are beautiful just the way you are, with or without makeup. And I'll see you again soon. Love you. Bye!